How to buy Bitcoin on Binance. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Bitcoin on Binance in easy fast way. So first thing we do, we go to Binance. As you can see, this is the home page. Now if you want to buy Bitcoin, you have to go here to markets, click on markets, and now go down and you will find Bitcoin in the first place, and click on it like this, and it will take you to this page right here. Now you have to choose the price that you want to invest or the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy, and then you will find buy now here if you are logged into your account. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.